two productivity powerhouses. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, the visual project management giant Trello, and on the right, the elegant Apple-centric Things 3. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Let's lay it all out. We're going to break things down across these categories: cost and pricing, design and usability, project management, and task management. You'll see how both apps stack up in each area. So, first up, cost and pricing. Now, Trello's got a huge leg up right out of the gate with a free plan that's, well, pretty generous. You can get started without spending a dime, and their paid plans, super affordable. Monthly or annual billing, nothing tricky. But if you're sticking to free, just be ready for a few feature limits. Now, switching over to Things 3, it's a one-time purchase, which honestly sounds great if you hate subscriptions. But here's the thing: that upfront cost, ouch. Plus, you have to buy it separately for each device. Your Mac, your iPhone, your iPad, yeah, it adds up. So yeah, Trello's the clear winner on price. All right, on to design and usability. Trello's vibe is really all about this Kanban board that's super easy to pick up. Customizable cards, lists, you can make it work however you want. But let's be real, it's not exactly the most stylish app on the block. Now, with Things 3, oh, this is honestly where it shines. It's got that elegant, minimal look, just super polished. And if you're deep in the Apple world, the integration is so smooth. There's less you can tweak visually, for sure, but honestly, you might not even care. So for looks and vibe, Things 3 takes this one. Next category: project management. With Trello, you get multiple views, right? Boards, timelines, calendars, so flexible. And oh, collaboration? Absolutely nailed. You can work with your whole team, no problem. It's not perfect. Reporting can be a little basic, but overall, in terms of managing actual projects, Trello makes it super easy. Now, switching gears to Things 3, it's fantastic for personal organization, honestly. GTD, checklists, perfect for solo productivity, but you're kind of on your own. There's no team stuff, and if you're working on non-Apple devices, well, tough luck. For project management, Trello definitely comes out on top. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know that Trello is pretty much the go-to for team collaboration and bouncing ideas around, while Things 3 absolutely crushes it for organizing your own personal to-dos? And last up, task management. Here's where it gets interesting. Trello is awesome for brainstorming and figuring out priorities visually. If you love dragging cards around, you'll vibe with Trello. But if you need structure for your personal tasks, it can feel a bit chaotic. Now, Things 3 is super smooth for daily task management. Quick entry, tagging, it's made for personal tasks. The only letdown is that the calendar isn't robustly tied in. But honestly, for getting stuff done every day, Things 3 is hard to beat. So for this round, Things 3 snags the win. Now, if you look at both apps on the radar chart, you'll see Trello dominating on price and project management, but Things 3 totally shines in design and day-to-day task handling. Kind of a split decision. So after stacking them up, here's the deal. Trello is the champ if you're wrangling team projects or want something collaborative. But if you're just looking to manage your own stuff and you love that clean, Apple-y feel, Things 3 is hands down the way to go. Looking for the perfect tool? Seriously. Think about how you work and pick what matches your style. Stay organized with whatever helps you crush your day.